Welcome back, and congratulations for going this far. This is the final chapter for this training, and by this point I'm sure you've started something and may have garnered some results. You've learned all the fundamentals of starting up your own online business, as well as the various ways of marketing your business to scale it to greater heights. In this final chapter, you'll learn how to generate massive instant commissions with less effort. First, what are the high-ticket programs? High-ticket offers or programs are usually associated with sales starting from $1,000 and can go up to $25,000 or more. The products you offer may range from digital, coaching, or consultation products, or all of the mentioned to provide clients with high-value training and exceptional results. These products usually offer clients the ultimate or turnkey solution to their problems. In order for you to promote your high-ticket programs, it has to go through a sales funnel, which brings your client through a journey with you. We've already discussed the concept of sales funnels in the previous chapters. You normally start with your front-end offer, which is your first offer and is generally priced low or free. The purpose is to attract a pool of potential customers to your front end. This can be an ebook or a webinar. You don't have to worry that your front-end offers are not making much, as this can be compensated with the massive sales gained from your high-ticket offers later in your funnel. You notice not all of your clients will make it to this high-ticket offer. As the nature of high-ticket offers are exclusive and are intended to give high value to clients, therefore programs are also priced at a higher cost. Only clients who are willing to invest a huge amount for greater value and are aiming for a transformation in their business are most likely to purchase your high-ticket programs. Why high-ticket programs? There are 4 main reasons why you should incorporate high-ticket programs in your online business. 1. Transformation. 2. Video testimonials. 3. Filtered clients. 4. Instant commissions. First is transformation. This is where you project the highest value in what you're offering. Your high-ticket program has to provide the ultimate solution to your client's problem. It needs to be transformational or life-changing to them. Provide them with the answer they've been looking for all this while. This builds your reputation as well as credibility, especially if you've just started out. Second are video testimonials. When you've successfully gained your high-ticket clients, you're able to gather video testimonials from them. Now, why is that important? It's your future social proof. When your clients provide you with positive testimonials of your programs and products, this will again build your credibility and reputation. This helps you attract prospects, which eventually turns into your high-ticket clients. The third reason why high-ticket programs are important to your online business is because this is where you gain your filtered clients. These are your premium clients who are willing to pay a high price to solve their problems. You manage to gain these clients by bringing them through a journey, from the 3-week webinar to attending a strategic session with you and finally taking in your offer. This is why executing the 3 stages in creating your high-ticket offer is important. You are able to filter your prospects and only deal with those who are really interested in your offer. This saves you a lot of time and resources. Finally, earn massive sales. You're able to gain instant massive sales with minimal effort. You don't need hundreds of sales to break even and earn massive profits. All you need is a small number of highly qualified clients who are interested in purchasing your high-ticket programs.